Hello, my name is Srijal Dahal and my university ID is 22425-897 and I am a student of BSc Computing and my level is L4 and this is my second assignment under the module Web Development. So looking onto the course, the HTML and CSS files were provided initially and I haven't made any changes. So under the JavaScript section, some of the codes are provided initially, like the movement of players, and other codes I have added, like hiding start button after clicking it and starting the gap. So for this, firstly under the load function, I have called the function button, and here button is defined here. So it grabs the start division or the class by this code document.get elements by class name, and after adding a event listener and under the click, I have added a closer function, and it says a means the start button, which I have grabbed here, and a.start.display is equal to none sets the button to be invisible after I click it. And after that I have added a interval of 500, and under this I have included a closer which calls the function specific, and the specific is used for the movement of specific and creating the bombs and exploding them at random heights. So I've included them all in one function. So firstly, a random number is generated here. Asterisk 900 means that it will randomize the number from 0 to 900, and I've stored it in a variable random capital N, and I've grabbed the specific element by this code document.get element by id alien, which is this. I've grabbed this division which is the id alien, and so its margin top is fixed to -1 10 px, so that it will go up to the top of the screen, and space s that is started at left means that the CSS property of specific is set to left, which is 0%. It sets the specific on the left side of the screen initially, and so I have included the random number random n plus px, which moves the specific in random position at the top of the screen, and the specific is now moving on the screen after I've clicked the button start, and the start button also hides. So for bombs I have created a element division and appended it to the body of the HTML document, and bomb class is set to bomb, which is given in the CSS file, and I have set the margin top of the bomb to 100 px, and style is set to 0%, and for this I have set the same random number random n, and 30 gives the value which is just sufficient to hide the bomb behind the specific, and position I have given to absolute. After appending it, I have set the function for the bombs so that it will fall down from top of the screen or fall down from the specific for 0.1 px, additional 0.1 px under 90 milliseconds. So I've created another random number under 0 and 50, and this is set for explosion. It is set so that the bomb explodes at a random height in the ground. So after 550 milliseconds, the explosion will remove. Finally the bomb class is set to explosion after 480 and some random number random second, and after 550 milliseconds the bomb or the explosion will be removed from the screen. So moving on to the game. So this is the game, and initially the player used to go up to the sky. Just I have made a change in CSS file, oh, no, JavaScript file, sorry. So initially provided this -3 was set to +32 as per the university. So after saving it and running it, the player will go up to the sky. When the arrow key are diagonally pressed, it means pressing the up key and right key, or up key and left key simultaneously. So looking onto it and to reload it so that it affects the changes. So it used to go up to the screen. So this can be avoided by using -3 instead of -3 instead of +32, which gives the new height for the player, and -3 is just sufficient for the player so that it avoids it to go up to the sky above than the green screen. So now it doesn't go. So these are the first changes I have made, and after starting the game, the start button hides and the spaceship starts to appear in random position at the top of the screen, and a bomb falls and it explodes in random height at the green screen. So this was the game I was working on, and I added a few functionalities. Only this much for the demo video. Thank you. And the source code related to it is uploaded in the Turnitin page. Thank you.